plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today, I am not making an Ice-type Pokemon, I am making Purugly. I am making this Pokemon for Tabitha, who loves cat and kitty Pokemon. So I hope, Tabitha, that you enjoyed this video. It was super fun to make, and I don't know, it brought back a lot of memories for me because I feel like Purugly is not exactly a popular house pet, right? Like you look at it, it looks grumpy and kind of mean, and I don't know, I've had a history of purchasing and adopting pets that maybe no one else wanted or that might not seem like the super cute popular type of thing. Like when I was a kid, I went to the pet store to get a goldfish, and there was one in the tank that only had one eye, and the PetSmart employee was like, yeah, no one's gonna want this fish, and I took it. I told my parents, I was like, I have to have that one-eyed fish. So I did have a one-eyed goldfish. I think his name was Pirate. And then when I was in graduate school, I fostered a dog that he was supposed to be 20 pounds and he was 40. I mean, he could barely walk and everything. He was 9 years old. I basically went and took in the oldest and sickest dog I could. And I loved that dog. It was a great dog. I remember in the building I was living in, everyone there assumed I was in veterinary school, and I was like, no, I'm in such and such program. But because I had this very sick dog, they're like, oh, you're in the vet program, right? Like, you're helping that dog. I'm like, no, I just liked him. I don't know. I ended up helping that dog lose 2 pounds, and he was walking much better when he went on to get a new home, so that's great. But yeah, Purugly reminded me of all of the other kind of misfit and underdog pets that people have. And I don't know, I might have kind of gotten this habit from my great-grandmother. Like, she lived on a farm, and whenever she needed a dog to look over the fields, she went to the shelter and picked out the ugliest dog there was. Just, that was her thing. Whichever one, she'd go in and say, which dog has been here the longest? And they would point to which one, and she would take it. Yeah, that was a very long tangent about pets, you know. Give the underdog pets some chance, right? Like, give them a chance. Whatever they look like, whatever their issues are, you might be pleasantly surprised. But basically for this Purugly, so far I've used an oval punch, a circular punch, and now I'm doing some freehand work for the head, which I will also do for the ears. I feel like with this one, you can really tell the dimensions and like the dynamic. I don't know what I'm trying to say. It looks very 3D because there's legs behind the front of the body, and then behind those legs there's the hind leg. It looks very 3D to me. And I think that this piece makes it even more 3D because I put the face on top, so it looks like the face is sticking out ahead of the ears. I don't know. I'm still rambling, aren't I? It's okay. But I hope that everybody is having a good day. I know I am uploading a lot right now because I am so close to finishing 100 Pokemon. So whenever you get around to watching stuff, that's great. Like, don't feel pressured to watch it the day it comes out. I understand that everybody has a lot going on, but whenever you feel like coming here, there will be a lot of videos. So feel free anytime. You are welcome. Now, I do want to talk a little bit about what other Pokemon I have coming. Other things that I have finished are Mamoswine, a Shiny Sneasel, Pillow-Swine, and Snom. So expect those pretty soon. I also am doing a few more unboxings this month because, you know, it's December, Christmas is coming, and I bought some Pokemon cards on sale from Black Friday, so there will be probably a few more of those as well. Now for the eyes, I ended up using these little, not quite oval shaped punches, and then cutting them down a little bit to get that kind of frowny, grumpy eye going. And then what's left of Purugly after that is the tail and the whiskers, which were both a little bit hard to do because they're very thin, but I did figure it out. So I cut out some very thin strips of black for the whiskers, and I ended up using the same one to trace again to make all four. If there are any ice-type Pokemon that you would really like to see this month, please let me know down in the comments. I do have a request for Articuno. I am procrastinating on it, but I will make an Articuno before the month is up. I have lots and lots of papers picked out, so just say the word and I probably am already ready to make that Pokemon. For the background paper, I have this really nice pink that kind of matches the ears, both the purple fur and the pink. It's kind of in between those colors. And then for the frame, this paper, I felt like it had all the colors of Purugly's face, the ears, the eyes, with the yellow, pink, and purple. So I used that to make my frame. Followed by a pink washi tape with yellow lemons and flowers. And I had a little bit of a gap on the top and bottom of the page, so I use a little bit of yellow washi tape to fill that in. Unfortunately, I ran out of both of these washi tapes, so I kind of had to improvise and use two. I think I need to buy more yellow washi tape. I think I have a lot of washi tape, but I don't think I have much yellow. And now I am just gluing the final product down. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Thanks for listening to my little story time about, adopting the pets that no one else wants. Highly recommend it. You will be pleasantly surprised. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys again very soon. Take care, guys. Bye!